Hey guys, it's Lauren. Thanks for joining me for my presentation. Today I'm going to be talking about the CINAHL full-text database, and I wanted to give you guys a couple quick facts before we begin navigation. CINAHL is an anagram for Cumulative Index to Nursing and Allied Health. It is the world's most comprehensive source of full-text journals for nursing and allied health professionals. The database includes context dating as far back as 1937 for 770 full-text journals, 275 full-text books and monographs, and full text for 360 research instrument records. Depending on the vendor and author, journals are updated weekly, with other journals being updated monthly. CINAHL covers nursing, biomedicine, health sciences librarianship, and alternative complementary medicine, and consumer health. CINAHL with full text is the definitive research tool for all areas of nursing and health literature. So guys, we're going to get right into navigating this database, but before we are going to do that, I'm going to go and review a couple search key terms that will help allow our searches to be really productive and accurate. See you in the database! Hey guys, thanks for joining me in the CINAHL with full text database. As promised, I want to go over a couple things that are going to allow our searches to be productive and accurate. The first thing I want to go over is Boolean operators. These guys right over here. These operators define the relationships between words or groups of words and combines search terms so that each search result contains all of the terms. For example, education and technology finds articles that contain both of these terms. Or combines search terms so that each search result contains at least one of the terms. For example, education or technology finds results that contain either term. Not excludes terms so that each search result does not contain any of the terms that follow it. For example, education, not technology finds the results that contain the term education, but not the term technology. Expanders allow us to broaden the scope of our searches. They do this by widening our searches to include words related to our keywords. The most common expander used is the apply related words, already selected. And by selecting this option, we expand the results to include true synonyms, true synonyms and plurals of our terms. Limiters let us narrow the focus of our searches so that the information retrieved from the databases we search are limited according to the values we have selected. We're allowed to use more than one limiter if they are available. Limiters can limit your searches by local titles, dates published, articles from peer-reviewed journals, and number of pages. So the features that this database holds are similar to those we have used before. So let's go ahead and get started navigating. So we're just going to start with basic searches. And for this search, my key term is going to be conception. Cool. And I am going to be using limiters when doing this. I'm going to select peer reviewed, and then I'm going to select nursing from the journal subset. And then I only want to view articles published between January 2010 and December of 2011. There we go. Click. Okay. So we're good. So let's search. Awesome. We have 79 results. We are going to go ahead and scroll down, and Article 8 looks perfect. There are a couple things that I'm going to do here first. I need to read the article. So I'm going to go over here to the PDF full text link, click that. There we go. This shows all of the text. Second, I really want to share these articles with others. I could print them by clicking the print icon and distribute, but let's save paper. So I'm going to email the articles. The article. So I'll just type in the email address. And I want to go ahead make sure that I send a citation to who I am sending the email to, and we want to make sure it's in MLA format. So let's make sure it's in MLA. Perfect. Everything looks awesome. Send. Sweet. We are done with our basic searches. So let's move on to advanced searching. Oops. Here we go. Now with advanced searching, I am going to be using the 3 key terms: conception, fetus, and birth. Additional rows actually can be added or taken away here. I'm only going to be using 3 key terms, so I'm not going to need a 4th row, so we're going to go ahead and take that away. So for this search, my first keyword will be conception, and I'm looking for this particular term in the title. I'm going to go ahead and use the Boolean operator, and the second term will be fetus. And I want to look through all text. Using the second Boolean operator, not, I'm going to enter my third search term, birth. I do not want the keyword birth anywhere in the text. So, okay, cool. Search. Perfect. I have found 2 articles that are specific to my search. Article 1 is what we are going to be looking at. I do need to do a few things with this article. I'm going to add it to the folder for later for when I need to reference it. Next, I need to go ahead and cite the information for our works cited page. So we're going to come over here to cite, find MLA, copy. Very nice. And lastly, I want to share this articles with all of my nursing friends via Facebook and Twitter. And in order to share articles on social networks, you come over here to bookmark. And by clicking any of these, Facebook or Twitter, you can use Dig if you have it. By just selecting this, you actually will bring up where you can post to your wall. I'm not going to go post this right now, but you can do it to either. And from bookmarks, you can also print if you would like. Here we can also create some notes if we do need to take any notes about the article. Awesome. So that is really basic searching in the basic searches and advanced searching. In PS, I just want to let you guys know something that EBSCOhost, who powers CINAHL, has apps for your iPhone and Android. You can actually choose which databases to search, limit results to full text or peer reviewed, search library catalogs, sort by relevance or date, and so much more. So all you do is scroll to the bottom of your screen, click on the link on any EBSCOhost page, and all you'll do is you'll email yourself the key to the app and get started. Thanks!